How do you feel this morning? I saw that you made some
Yeah,
efforts.
just digging my car out. That way tomorrow be a little easier.
How long did it take you to get out?
15 minutes or so.
50 minutes?
A little bit of shoveling and four-wheel drive.
No, we're pretty miserable. We had to get out of the house though. We were starting to go stir crazy.
Yeah, I figured we'd check out the streets for a little bit. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of people wandering around though.
No.
Just kind of hold out until Sunday. Hopefully the sun will come out in a day or so and we'll go from there.